Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show how to extract the unique values after eliminating the duplicates from the array. In sheet 2, I have some data in 3 columns. Column A consists of duplicates. Coming to column B, doesn't consist of duplicates. Column C also consists of duplicates. Now I am going to retrieve unique values after eliminating the duplicates column wise. Already I created a drop down by using data validation in F2 cell. First I am selecting the item. Here we can find application return the output after eliminating the duplicates: apple, banana, orange, grapes. Thereafter I am selecting the price. Application returned all the elements from the array. Next I am selecting the zone. Here we can find the output after eliminating the duplicates. Now let us cross check the coding part. Click on Visual Basic. This is the complete code. Here I am using change event of worksheet object. Let us cross check the code step by step. First I mention option base as 1, which enables the application to start the elements count from 1. Next I mentioned application dot enable events equivalent to false. So first I am disabling the events. Next I declared a variable which is named as RNG and data type is range. Set RNG equivalent to range F2. Here I mentioned if condition, if not intersect of target and range is nothing, then execute this piece of code. Means if any changes happen in the cell of F2, then application executes the program which is mentioned in the event. Next I am clearing the existing content in column F from the range of F5. Next I am assigning the column number. If range F2 dot value equivalent to item, then column number equivalent to 1, as data exists in first column. Next, if the value is price, then column number equivalent to 2. If value equivalent to zone, then column number equivalent to 3. Like that I assign the column numbers. Thereafter I am finding the last row. Next I declared the array variable dim array as variant. Here I didn't mention the size of the array and data type is variant. Here I am defining the size of the array by using redim. Redim denotes redimension. Redimension, array name. In the bracket I mention the array size. From the last row I deducted 4 as data started from 5th row. Next I am inserting the values into the array. Array equivalent to, here I used range object. Next I declared one more array to store the unique values, dim unique array as variant. As this is dynamic array, I didn't mention the array size. Here I mention array number equivalent to 0. This is the count element which is useful while inserting the value into the newly created array. Next I am using for loop here for r equivalent to 1 to u bound of array. Here I mention data found equivalent to blank. Means I am nullifying the value if exists into that variable. Thereafter I am storing the array element into the variable of datas. Here I am using one more for loop which we can term as internal loop. This loop is useful to find the duplicates from the array. If data found, it exits from the for loop. If data doesn't found, then application adds the element to the unique array. For this purpose, here I am using redeem preserve. Redeem is the redimension. Preserve is useful to retain the existing elements in the array. Next I am extracting the values from the array by using for loop. At the end, I am erasing the array variables. Next I am enabling the events. This is the brief explanation about this coding part. Hope this template is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.